If you try to analyze yesterday's day, the verse in verse 2, si Agor said, I am do like that. Because I am like the animal na strength, but I don't think. And si Agor was humble and honest, say, I am the man that I don't understand. He's honest. Now, here, he repeat, say, in verse 18 says, yes, there are things that are for that I don't understand. First, is verse 19, it says, the eagle, that fly. Kasi ang eagle, when it flies, it's do like that. Yeah, it's do like that. Yeah, that is his culture ng eagle. Ng eagle, you do like that when it flies. Ang other yan, ka-fly, ka-ganyan. Ang eagle is different. He does like that. Nagaganyan siya, nagaganyan siya na-fly. So, it says here. So, si Agor, when he tries to observe, wow, he doesn't understand how the eagle magganyan. That is one, he doesn't understand that. Number two, the things that he doesn't understand is about the snake. Kasi ang snake, the word dyan is, how do you sign it? Body that slide. Now, ang slide, I give you for example, ang slide, you see ang mga bata, they do like that. And pagkatapos, they do like that. Sa mga mag-play mga bata. So, they have that. First, they do like that. And later on, they do like that. They do like that. That word that is slide. So here we are talking about the snake. That his body is slide. How do you sign that? So you do the action. So the body that slide, like you do like that. You see, that is the body that slide. So here he is. So is how do you sign that? The snake that do like that? I don't know. Kasi ang snake, I think ang snake gumaganyan, right? Yeah, that is the slide. Kasi his body is, so he slides. It's like that. So I think it's the sign there is the snake that slide on the rock. How? So first there's sitting he understand about the eagle. Nga magganyan-ganyan, he doesn't how. And then the second, the snake, nga magganyan-ganyan, nga magganyan-ganyan, he also doesn't understand that. The two and the three. How do you sign that? Yeah, I think the shape is kasi ang shape, ang word nga ang shape, it's big. When you have the word the boat, it is small, like the Filipino na mga dun sa Mindanao, their boat is like that. And then they have the sail. Ang sail there is the cloth nga gumaganyan. So that's why the sail is like that. That is the sail. And then the boat is like this. So if you have the boat that sail, so you do like that. And if you have the ship that sail, then you do like that. Very hard. Now you understand. Kasi ang attention kayo, ang boat, ang ship, mag-travel, the word dyan in English is sail. If you have the airplane, mag-travel, the word dyan is fly. Okay? Now if you have the bus, if you have the car and the bus in the land, then you have the word travel. So if in the land magganon ka, ang word dyan is, in English the word is travel. But if it's in the air, the airplane, the word is fly. Now if it is the ship, the word is sail. Meaning the boat na mag-travel, the word dyan is sail. So the ship, that is the word dyan, the ship that sail into the sea. How? So this is the third time. So first, he doesn't understand how the eagle that maganyan-ganyan-ganyan, he doesn't understand that. The second, the snake na maganyan-ganyan-ganyan, he also doesn't understand that. And the third, the ship na mag-travel sa sea, he also doesn't understand that. Now he understand. And the fourth that he doesn't understand is about the man mag-love the woman. He also doesn't understand that. There are four. Now the question, what is that about nga eagle nga maganyan-ganyan-ganyan? Ang mga snake nga maganyan-ganyan? Ang mga boat nga maganyan-ganyan sa sea, sa water, not sa nagasink, but naga-float at saka naganyan-ganyan? About the man and the woman love. What does it mean? Why he doesn't understand that? Now si Tusalim I summarize. That is the meaning of the God that is responsible. That is the meaning that the person your own know is different. It is the God. So when the bird, eagle, maganyan-ganyan-ganyan, where did he get that? That is God make the eagle. Maganyan-ganyan-ganyan. Yan ang God he make. The second there is when the snake na ganyan-ganyan-ganyan. Why? Kasi God he cursed that snake. You base that in Genesis. When God before maybe the thing, maybe the snake we don't know. Kasi ang ganyan-ganyan, God cursed it. Kasi remember the snake na ganyan kay Eve. So God he cursed, ang God he cursed the snake na magganon siya. Mag-eat siya ng dust. Yeah, maganyan siya dyan. It was sad kasi maganyan ka sa soil, that is dust. So maganyan ka dyan. You eat the dust. It was God cursed a snake. Okay, so all of that, it was God responsible. And then when the man, he also loved the woman, is the same, that is God responsible. God make. Now you understand? So what does it mean? So he's here in chapter 30, verse 19 to 20. See, Agur, he says, I am a man just like an animal that I think wala. And I am man that doesn't understand. That is what he means. They are the things ng God. If si Tusalim I summarize, there are things ng God that is done. Okay? That is God's own will, that's God's own want, God's own plan, God's own purpose, that ang person will not understand. So meaning, ang things ng God i-own, we don't understand. One example, God, he make the deaf. Why? Deaf. Why did God make the deaf? Why? That is the example of the things that God he owned, that the God owned, and the person understand. So meaning, when the person died, are you hungry? No, kasi God responsible to give life, and God responsible to get life. That is why, and then you die. Okay? You don't understand that. That is why it's important that deaf you have that in the mind. So ang person nga wise, there are things, for example, why I am poor? Why? Well, it is God's that you don't understand that kasi nagdepend yan sa God. So that is ang verse 18 and 19. So now again in verse 20, he explained about the wrong. So what is the wrong? See in verse 20, now I inform you about the woman nga gumaganyan-ganyan and his action, how Joseph is compare as he eat, finish, and tapos he and he will say, well, that's like that. So again, if you try to analyze, why like that? When it does like that, again, that is the two things, that the evil that sometimes we don't understand, and the good things that God owns that we don't understand. So it is better, I think, better that we reject the wrong and the sin that we don't understand, and then we there's only one God want. There's only one. We believe, that's one. We obey, the second, and the third is we serve. Yes, we don't understand that we don't have the money. Yes, we don't understand that we are that sick. Yes, we don't understand that we have problem. We don't understand that we have the trouble. It's okay. We believe God. We obey God. We serve God. Okay? So that is what the meaning that he Agur, he put these things. So meaning, ang person nga wise, no, never, we don't. Ang person nga wise, believe. Ang person nga wise, accept. Ang person nga wise, it obey. But ang that is ang person nga fools. Just like in verse 20, just like the woman nga nagganyan, tapos kasi is fools. That is what it means. Now you can ask any question. Yes, Mary Rose. Yes, you are right. We don't understand death is born, but it's okay. God makes a way accept, and we thank God. Yes, thank you, Mary Rose. You are correct. Just like the meaning that is Agor want you to learn, want you to understand that there are some things that we don't understand. It's okay. We just accept, we believe, obey. Huwag magganyan-ganyan po, kasi it's wrong. Thank you, Mary Rose. That's beautiful. Very good that you understand. Any other question? No, this is Mary Rose. I'm sorry, I'm confused with the sign Mary Rose or Mary Rose. Sorry. So, yeah, that's a cup. Yes, thank you, Mary Rose. Yes, you are right. Yes, there are many things that we don't understand. So when we ask God, yes, and God has the power, and He will help you. And then you, yes, you will understand. Yes, thank you, Mary Rose. Thank you so much.